You've been on a mission in a deep, dark forest with Indiana Jones. You just stolen some treasure. And you stolen the treasure, and it's really priceless, and you need to get it back to some sort of museum. I don't know, Smithsonian. Is that a museum?
Yeah. Where's the treasure?
Oh, no. Indiana Jones has it.
Oh, okay. He's already over.
I thought it was in your hand.
But he's run away, and you're all lost, and because he's really good at all that stuff, he got away really quick. But now the evil forest people are coming after you, and you have 15 minutes to get out of their lair. But the only way out is through this treacherous bridge of wires, okay? So...
Otherwise what?
Otherwise they're gonna get you and they'll eat you because they're cannibals.
Why do we have to walk on the wires?
Because you'll fall down.
This is over a lake with crocodiles.
Oh,
that makes sense. Good crocodiles.